The 2020 2500 is an awesome platform and a brand new one, and we're gonna show you how to fit 35s on 12-inch wide wheels. We've got a 2020 Silverado up on the lift right now, and this is the first one that we've had in the shop. These trucks just came out a few weeks ago, and I am pumped to install the Cognito 4-inch lift on this rig. That's gonna make some awesome room for some 35-inch tall tires on some 22 by 12 wheels. We're not sure exactly how they're gonna fit because that's a really wide wheel and a pretty negative offset. But we're gonna show you how it's gonna happen and what steps that we need to do to make it possible. So we've got the 2020 2500 all done, and I think it turned out awesome. Today is delivery day, and we're delivering this truck for Shane, who owns In Shane Designs, which is in Lemoyne. They do an awesome job with a bunch of cool vehicle wraps, and you can check out his channel as well. I want to talk a little bit about this truck because I think the end product turned out absolutely awesome. Again, we use the Cognito 4-inch kit with the Fox shocks. This is an awesome kit and provides a lot of clearance to fit the 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers that we installed on 22 by 12 Cali Offroad Rawkon wheels in all matte black. I think the stance turned out really amazing, and with a torsion bar suspension like this truck has, we got it sitting perfectly level. I wanted to show you a little bit about some of the mods that we had to do at the front bumper as well as the rear wheel well to make everything fit. We did massage this inner liner back and reattach it so that we've got a lot more room inside here. We also trimmed this lower valance to make that look good and not hit the tire. And we made some room back here. There's a bracket in here that we were able to modify and make it all fit. There's also a lower plastic piece here that we removed. But in driving the truck, it drives and handles perfectly. It's super comfortable. And in talking with Shane, he said it's his favorite vehicle to drive that he's got. So I think it turned out great. Customers happy, we're happy. What else could you want? If you have any questions, by all means, let us know. If you want us to build you a truck like this of your very own, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and be sure to follow us on YouTube. See ya.